How to set up monday.com for an organization. You can do this in 7 steps. 1. Sign up for monday.com with your organization's email, domain, and choose a suitable plan based on your team size and required features. 2. Create your workspace and structure it with boards for departments like HR, marketing, sales, product, and support. Use folders to organize boards by category or team. 3. Invite your team members using the admin panel and assign them roles like admin, member, or viewer depending on their responsibilities. 4. Use templates to create standardized boards for project management, CRM, recruitment, or marketing campaigns. Customize columns and statuses as needed. 5. Establish board permissions and automations. Make sure sensitive boards are private and use automation to streamline recurring tasks and notifications. 6. Integrate essential tools like Slack, Zoom, Gmail, or Google Drive to create a centralized workspace and reduce switching between apps. 7. Create dashboards with company-wide KPIs to keep leadership informed. Encourage daily updates and consistent use to maintain workflow clarity.